If you want to check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on Redmi Note 14 Pro plus 5G, then first of all we need to go to the security app. Over here we need to scroll down just a little bit. If you have common features, you might find data usage and you can go here. If you don't have it in common features, you can scroll down and then you can swipe up in order to open the toolbox. And then over here you should be able to find the data usage as well. Once you go over here, then you can go to data usage stats. And here, first we see the data usage for the SIM1. We can also tap on this icon over here in the top right corner, and we can switch to Wi-Fi usage. And there we go. Over here we have now Wi-Fi usage shown. We can also tap on this text where it says today in order to switch the period or different timeline. Now, of course, it will still show data usage SIM1, but we can still access the information about the Wi-Fi. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!